Invite Brock students, staff, and faculty to your ExperienceBU event. From the Manage end, go to your organization tools and select Events. Then select the event you would like to invite folks to from your events list. Click the Invitations and RSVPs button. Then click Manage Participants and select Invite People. Invite users from your roster by selecting them from the list. Or select Invite by email. You can copy and paste or type in up to 500 Brock emails to directly invite people to your event. Once you've entered in the email addresses, select Add Email Addresses, then Send Invitations. Depending on the user's notification settings, they can either receive a notification through ExperienceBU or an email invite to their Brock email account. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email experiencebu@brocku.ca.